Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to change your phone number on Spark Driver. So if you've recently changed your phone number, then just follow along. First, open the Spark Driver app and sign in. Then go to your profile or account settings, and if the option to edit your phone number is available, you need to enter your new number and complete the verification process. And if you don't see the option to update it yourself, you need to contact Spark Driver support and request the change. Then they may ask you to verify your identity before updating your account. After your number has been changed, sign out and sign back into the app to confirm everything is working properly. So that was how to change your phone number on Spark Driver. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.